Hi everyone. I had a lot of students with issues and questions about posting to Padlet. So I'm going to give you a couple directions today that may help you as you go forward. First of all, you need an account. If you haven't created an account, then you're going to do that first. You go to Padlet.com and click on sign up. It's free. If you already have an account, click on login and make sure that you're logged into your computer. Once you've logged in with your home computer, when you are on My Padlets and you create something, it'll automatically put your name on every assignment. So click up here, click on it's free, sign up, it's free, put your school email here, first name, last name at student.hcps.org, and your password. Don't forget, use the exact same password that you use for all of your school online resources. Those things don't change, and besides logging into the actual network at school, these types of things don't change, and there's absolutely no personal information, so there's no reason to not sign up for this. They can't steal anything from you. All right, so I want to show you what some of the common issues that I have on posting the Padlet. One is you can't just share the actual information from SharePoint. You have to download it to your computer, and then you're going to have to post it to Padlet that way, and I'll show you how to do that. But once you've posted your work, if you look at it and you see this, please know that I cannot see this, so I cannot grade this. Same thing with, there's another one over here to the right-hand side. It just looks gray. If you can't see at least the beginning of your PowerPoint or a beginning of your video like this, and there's just code in there, or if it's just gray and it says Word doc or something like that, I can't see it. So please make sure that you post it correctly, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do next. All right, let me open up a Padlet that I already have. So the first thing you're going to do is to click this plus down here. This pulls up a little window to be able to write down everything that you need to put into your Padlet. So we're going to use the Sternly prompt as an example. What did you do this weekend? Again, your name should be right here. If it is not, once you start this, let's figure out how to fix that. Go back, log in, maybe even leave it up in a separate window, and then try to go back in here and do this. Your title should be something about what you're writing about. So I'm just going to put my weekend. And then what did I do? I did some yard work. Let's say that. And went for a hike to Kilgore Falls. All right, now, one of the things I do want to point out, it's okay sometimes it's just to write something in there, but most of the time I'm asking for a little bit more. Like for the first assignment, I was looking for some kind of a presentation, not a list of I like, I don't like. I wanted a video or some sort of a presentation. So that's where all of this comes in. So this is, these first four things are probably the most common, so this is the upload. You can upload any file that's on your computer. So again, if it happens to be on Office 365, that's in a cloud. You need to put it on your computer. So if I find something, I used this recently over here, I can click on pick a file, and I can pick any file that happens to be on my computer. Another option is to get a link. So let's say you happen to make something and you put it onto a YouTube video, or you wanted to show me something that has a video or a link or whatever, you could just put the link in right here. This allows you to look at Google Images. Maybe I would like to look at Kilgore Falls. I don't know if they'll have pictures on there. Yep, right there. Ooh, Kilgore Falls in the winter is beautiful. If you've never been there, up here in Jarrettsville, and it's really, really, really beautiful. It's one of the highest waterfalls in the county. So maybe I would do something like that. Other options are, let me go back over here. We have videos, we have GIFs, we have audios. Maybe you were doing something not as fun and you wanted to put like a little, I don't know, or something really fun. Put like a little GIF there. I had a cookout. You could put that there for a cookout. Whoops. Okay. So be creative. It'd be really neat to see what you guys can come up with. And I have to edit this. All right, I'm going to get out of this. Other options is take a quick picture, and that if you click on this, it brings up your camera and takes a picture. And these are lots of other options. So these are the first 4 that we've already done. This, you can capture video from your camera, so you could actually talk, you could hold something up to show me, you can do whatever you want with this. If you're a little shy, or you didn't do your hair that day, you don't want your face on camera, you can just do a voice recording. This screen recording is really nice. This is doing exactly what I'm showing you right here. It'll record what you have on your screen. I don't know if it records voice or not. I don't really play with that. You could doodle. You could draw something to attach to it. And this is a place location here. So if I did, let me do Kilgore Falls from here, just to see what it comes up with. So not a great picture of it, but because you have to hike. You hike down, 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 down. I would assume Kilgore Falls is right down here. But if I looked at the satellite, I could submit a satellite photo of it. Could be interesting. That particular one isn't as interesting. And then lastly, you can link to another Padlet that you've created. So there's a lot of options here. Please be creative. I would love for you to do something a little bit more interesting this week and play with some of this just to get a little bit more used to it. But most importantly, make sure you can see whatever you put on here, make sure you can see it as well. If you have questions or issues with that, send me an email. I can try to walk you through it. Also, very important, log yourself in or create an account. I should see your name above your post. So for the posts this week, I'm going to go back to my Google Pictures because I did like the image of, I don't know, put an image on there. And this doesn't match the words. But once you're finished, I want you to look at some of the other things that people have posted. Feel free to add a comment. Remember, your name's going to be attached to it. You're only allowed to make positive comments on these things. Also, if you like it, click on the little heart. Like what they did, or you like their picture or whatever, but interact with a couple of your classmates like that. So hopefully that'll answer most of your questions. If you have additional questions or you can't still use Padlet correctly, please send me an email and I'll try to walk you through it. All right. Bye, guys.